Hi friends, today we're going to read the Scholastic news called Let's Stay Healthy. And as we're about to enter back into our classroom, it's important that we stay healthy and make choices that keep each other healthy as well. So right down here it says, I'm the healthy hedgehog, learn along with me. What should you do if you have a runny nose? Raise a healthy hand if you know. Raise a healthy hand. As you read, think of 4 things you can do to stay healthy. Can you wipe your nose with a tissue? Raise a healthy hand if you think so. Can you sneeze into your elbow? Raise a healthy hand if you think so. Can you wash your hands with soap and water? Raise a healthy hand if you think so. And can you keep your hands off your face? Raise a healthy hand if you think so. Now it's important that we use a tissue instead of our clothes or just sneeze out without covering our mouth. It's important that we sneeze into our elbow so we're not sneezing and getting it all over. It's really important that we're washing our hands with soap and water often, especially now. And we try not to touch our face because any germs can go into our skin that way and make us sick. I wonder, why do we cover our sneezes? Germs fly out when you sneeze. They are so tiny that you can't see them. So we can't actually see them when it happens, but take a look at all this stuff that's coming out when this kid sneezes. Pretty gross, huh? So what should you do? It is snack time. Your hands don't look dirty. Should you wash them anyways? Yes, right? We always want to wash our hands before we eat. So here are some ideas to discuss. Can you see germs on your hands? What do you think? No, right? They're too small. Why is it important to wash your hands before you eat? What do you think? When we're eating, we're bringing food up to our mouth and that food has touched our hands. So it's important that we wash our hands so we don't have germs on our hands when we touch that food, or else the food is going to have the germs on it and we put that inside of our body. Liam's hand washing chart. Look at the chart below. It shows when Liam washed his hands before a meal. If you see a check, that means Liam washed his hands. If you see nothing, that means he did not. So we can see that on Monday, Thursday, and Friday, Liam washed his hands before breakfast. On Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, Liam washed his hands before lunch. And on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, he washed his hands before dinner. So think about, do you wash your hands before every meal? Let's go ahead and answer these questions according to Liam's chart. Did Liam wash his hands before breakfast on Monday? Well, let's take a look. We see before breakfast, did he wash his hands? Is there a check? Yes. So we'd go ahead and fill in the check. Did Liam wash his hands before lunch on Tuesday? Let's see, not before breakfast, before lunch. So here's lunch. Now this is Monday, this is Tuesday. Is there a check in this box? No, he did not wash his hands before lunch on Tuesday. Did Liam wash his hands before dinner on Thursday? Let's see, we have breakfast, lunch, and now here's before dinner. Let's go ahead and check Thursday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Did he wash his hands? Yes, there's a check. Here is a bonus question. Should Liam wash his hands before snack time too? What do you think? Should he? Yes, you should always wash your hands before you eat. Great job, friends. If you want, you could take a picture and send this to me. If you don't want to, you can always just click the green check and turn it in and let me know you're done.